Okay, now I'm going to do a video on my pocket watches. I'm just going to do them all together. This all Elgin watches except for my broken Waltham over there, which I may do a separate video on it. It depends. It's hard because I can't focus with this iPhone, but this is a size 16, and I've got this. That's a 15 jewel model. That's too bad we can't see any better than that. And I believe that one was made in 1924, I think was the year. This one here is my Elgin National Watch Company on the dial. It's made in 1892, and it is an 11 jeweler, I believe. But it has, if I get out of my light, you can kind of see that the balance cock is carved out pretty nice. You can sort of make that out. And it just says Elgin National Watch Company, and down here it's initialed Elgin something, J or I, U or something. And it has this weird collar that twists, and that's how you get the movement out of the case. The front of the dial does not unscrew. It's a solid case on the front, and my watch jeweler had never seen a case like that before. And I think I have run into only one other like it on the internet. There's my picture of the first set of Texas Rangers there was, with the name list, Company D 1887. Supposedly I might be related to that guy right there, Walter Durbin. Anyway, I digress. Here is a watch that was my great-great-grandfather's on my dad's side. It's just a regular Elgin Sidewinder. I think it's a 7 jewel model. And it has just a little bit of engraving and stuff on the balance cock, and the waviness on the plates, the little swirl look to the wind-up wheels. This was my great uncle's. He passed away just a few months ago, and this is a size 16. This is a 16. That's an 18, and this is a 12. It's a little smaller than the 16. And this one well, I stand corrected. This is my this is the 15 jewel clock, or watch rather, and this one here is 17. I'm mistaken. So we got 17 jewel 1924, 18 jewel 1892, 7 jewel, and this one was made around 1900, and then this one here, honestly I don't think I've looked up the date that it was made, but it's a 15 jewel. And since this video is already 4 minutes long, I might as well just go ahead and talk about this. This is a swing out case, and this is a Waltham, and it was found when a guy was excavating with a dozer. And this is a watch that I took apart, and from what I could see, the only things it needed a roller jewel, and the balance, of course, needs straightening because, as you can see, it slides across the plate. Needs hands, obviously. The dial, it has like this little rising sun of a thing here, and then it says American Waltham. So I think this is an 1883 model movement. But the jeweler said this wasn't worth fixing. I kind of beg to differ, but maybe someday. But for now, I just like looking at the movement. And that's, like I said, the one I experimented on, so that I could work on something without worrying about screwing up one of my good watches. And I have another one. It is a South Bend Studebaker. I don't have it here. It's a 21 jewel, and it was my grandfather's and possibly great-grandfather's on my mom's side. So I think out of all of these, this is my favorite one to carry. It's the prettiest one, if I can say it's pretty. It has the least amount of wear on it, but the most accurate timekeeper would be this one. However, it has a mismatched bezel. I don't know if you can see or not, but this bezel right here is not the same as the rest of the case. I forget what the jeweler said it was, but the rest of the case is white filled gold, and this is something else. And then, of course, the hands are replacement, the hour and minute hands. So that's my beat around watch. And that's it.